Okay. Good morning, everyone. So, in the last lecture, we have discussed about the constant K-type bandpass filter. We have completed that. Means up to now, we have completed the constant K-type low-pass filter, constant K-type high-pass filter, and constant K-type bandpass filter. So, today we are going to learn the last one, that will be the constant K-type band stop filter. It is also known as band elimination filter. So, a band stop oblique band elimination filter is a filter which passes all frequencies without attenuation, means 0%, the lower frequency f1 and greater than f2. So whatever the frequency lower than cutoff frequency f1 and whatever the greater frequency than upper cutoff frequency f2, that all frequencies will get passes without attenuation, whereas the 100% attenuation we can get in between f1 and f2. So f1 and f2 is known as attenuation band or stop band. So this will be the T section, constant K type band stop filter oblique band elimination. So exactly opposite to that of band pass filter. In band pass filter, the series arm consisting of series resonance circuit and shunt arm consisting of parallel resonance circuit. Here exactly opposite is there. In case of band stop filter, the series arm consisting of parallel resonance circuit and shunt arm consisting of series resonance circuit. That will be the first difference. Second one, the values are remain same. Okay, L1 by 2, L1 by 2, 2C1, 2C1. Even though the type of resonance circuit is changed, but the names are remaining same. Okay, so here L2, C2. Now next, this will be the T section. Now we are moving towards the pi section. So this will be the pi section here. In the pi section, the series arm consisting of parallel resonance circuit L1 C1. Whenever the single is there, single components are connected, you can straightforwardly give the names. So here two inductors are connected. Here 2L2, 2L2, C2 by 2, C2 by 2. These two are connected parallel to each other. So parallel arm or shunt arm consisting of series resonance circuit, and whereas series arm consisting of parallel resonance circuit. Now this is the pi section, constant K type band stop filter oblique band elimination filter. Now the design equations, this will be the common for band pass as well as band stop. So L2 by C1 is equal to L1 by C2 is equal to K square. So L1 equation, you can remember one equation, from that you can get all those equations. So L1 is equal to K into F2 minus F1 divided by pi into F1 into F2. So if you are comparing the L2 equation of bandpass filter, recall the equation of L2 of bandpass filter. मग त्यामध्ये काय चेंजेस होतं, what will be the change here? In case of bandpass filter, there will be L2 is equal to K into F2 minus F1 divided by pi into F1 minus F2, and 4 was there. So that 4 you can remove it. Okay, that 4 you can remove it and take as a L1 here in case of band stop filter. That will be the change. So if you are getting L1 is equal to this formula, from L1 you can write the formula of C2, because L1 C2 having relation. Okay, so C2 is just K, you can take in the denominator in case of C2. So that will be C2 is equal to F2 minus F1 divided by K into pi into F1 into F2. So once you are getting L1 C2, now consider L2 value, L2 equation. So L2 you can compare with L1 of bandpass filter. So there will be K upon pi into F2 minus F1. तिथं 4 नव्हतं. Here you can multiply 4. Understood? So 4 is the new thing. So 4 you can multiply here. So if you are getting L2, you can easily get the equation of C1. So just K take in the denominator. That is C1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi K into F2 minus F1. So in this way, you can logically remember the formulas so that you cannot make a mistake while solving the design problems based on bandpass or any filter. So these are the some logical hint I am giving so that you can remember the formulas. So we are going to start the design problem. Design a band stop oblique band elimination filter having a design impedance of 600 ohm and cutoff frequencies are 2 kilohertz and 6 kilohertz. So first of all, carefully read the question. Such type of question will ask for 6 marks. So 6 out of 6 you have to get, that is your target. So which filter they are asking? First of all, carefully note down. So they are asking band stop किंवा band elimination जे काय असेल नाव. So carefully note down that is in the given band stop filter. Next, value of impedance is given, that consider as a K, that is 600 ohm. Then two cutoff frequencies are given, that is one is lower cutoff frequency F1 and second one is upper cutoff frequency F2. So lower one is F1 is equal to 2 kilohertz and F2 is equal to 6 kilohertz. Kilo means what? 10 raised to 3. 2 into 10 raised to 3, 6 into 10 raised to 3. Now write the formulas, write the L1 formula. So L1 is equal to K into F2 minus F1 divided by pi into F1 into F2. So if you are recalling the correct equations, correct formulas, then it is easy to calculate the values. So put the value of K is equal to 600, F2 minus F1, that is 6 minus 2 into 10 raised to 3 divided by pi into 2 into 10 raised to 3 into 6 into 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3, you can cancel it and tell the answer, calculate the answer, take the calculator. So check whether you are getting the correct or not. L1 is equal to 63.66 millih. That will be the answer. Everyone should calculate. So this will be the L1 value. So once you are getting the formula of L1, you can easily recall the formula of C2. So C2 is equal to F2 minus F1. Just K take in the denominator. F2 minus F1 divided by K into pi into F1 F2. So simply you are putting the values and getting the answer. So C2 answer will come 0.176 microfarad. C2 is equal to 0.176 microfarad. Okay. Next, L2 is equal to compare the L2 equation with L1 of bandpass filter, that is K upon pi into F2 minus F1 was there. So simply multiply 4 in the denominator. So L2 is equal to K upon 4 pi F2 minus F1. Put the values, 600 divided by 4 pi into 6 minus 2 into 10 raised to 3. Calculate the values. So L2 you are getting, what is the answer you are getting now? L2 is equal to 12 millih, that is 11.9 something you are getting. So nearly 12 millih. Okay. Now next C1, how to get the formula of C1? Compare with L2, just K take in the denominator. C1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi K into F2 minus F1. So put the values, 1 upon 4 pi into 600 into 6 minus 2 into 10 raised to 3. So C1 you are getting 0.033 microfarad. So once you are getting all those values, you can draw the diagram. So carefully draw the diagram, correctly you have to draw. The series arm consisting of parallel resonance circuit. Remember that in case of band stop, L1 by 2, L1 by 2, 2C1, 2C1, and the shunt arm consisting of series resonance circuit, L2, C2. So L2, C2 values already we have calculated, that you can write. L2 is equal to 12 millih and C2 is equal to 0.176 microfarad. But these values you have to calculate. Calculate after this or before drawing the diagram, you can also calculate. So L1 by 2. So L1 value we got 63.66. You can make it half. That is 31.83 millih. And immediately mention in the diagram. That is 31.83 millih. Next, 2C1, 2C1. You can calculate. C1 we got 0.033 here, multiply into 2, that is 0.066 microfarad. 0.066 microfarad. So what are the values you are going to calculate, that immediately you can mention in the diagram, otherwise you cannot get full marks. So this is, you can mention the name of figure Many students just writing, but which is T section, which is pi section? Who has to write? So this will be the T section, constant K type band stop filter oblique band elimination. So pi section, draw the diagram of pi section. The series arm consisting of parallel resonance circuit and series and parallel arm consisting of or shunt arm consisting of series resonance circuit. So L1 C1 as it is. So mention the value of L1. L1 C1 is directly given. So L1 C1, L1 is 63.66, L2 is sorry C1 is 0.033 microfarad. Carefully mentioned. Now calculate 2 L2 and C2 by 2. L2 we got 12 millih, that is 2 L2 means 24, 24 millih, 24 millih mentioned. And then last C2 by 2. C2 we got 0.176, make it half, that is 0.088 microfarad. Here also 0.088 microfarad. And mention the value of this figure as a name as a figure, pi section constant K type band stop filter oblique band elimination filter. So in this way you have to solve the problems for 6 marks. So any doubt in this problem? Okay.